ధనుష నాకు చెప్పు.
Amma, unrelated, that is unrelated. Don't worry about that. Yeah, adi ninna photo.
Okay.
So each chapter, actually, it's very nice, very beautifully written. First lo simple concepts to start. Towards the back end, it got a little more sophisticated, the thought. But the ending, Pavan, that you just read actually brought it to full circle, I feel. And why I say that is beginning low, the chapter talks about very basic forms of love. Right? If you have two physical objects, there is a gravitational pull. Gurtunda?
Yeah.
That gravitational pull is a form of love. Now, if you think of the planetary system, basically, Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, etc., all these planets around the sun, they're operating on that principle. If you think of it, that attraction and repulsion due to gravitational pull is what is causing that balance, rotation, so one attraction and one repulsion, one might seem like love and one might seem like opposite of love, is also another form of love. That unity of all that, the universe, avanni combine chesthe, there is a balance in the world. Adi, if you keep extended, it becomes infinity. So my takeaway is manandarlo. So let's say you take me. I'm a father, I'm a son, I'm a brother, I'm a husband, I'm a friend, I'm a relative, I'm a colleague. All those objects of my love have some amount of attraction from me and some amount of less attraction or repulsion. That balance of all that, if it becomes unified and harmonized, for me, where I see the unity of all that as one big love, and I strike a balance there, that means I'm tending towards divine love, duality love. Adi, it felt something about this chapter because it pulled it all together. You take a physical object, planetary systems, or you take individual human beings, you take the example of a dog's love, you take an example of a mother's love to the child, expanding it all. If you look at it through this lens of this chapter, it's very nice. So Adi, I like that part of it. Adi, I thought that love can be drawn a parallel with physics of objects and gravitational pull. Adi chala elegant ga.
This is science. Baba talks science. Science behind this gravitational pull. Science is there.
Correct. So what I'm thinking is our scientific principle man extend chesthe through all forms of attraction and unattraction. You take it to the universe of all of that is love, is actually what it is.
Kiran, I want to ask you a question. See, I see this chapter very profound, Anmata. I want to read a few times, not just one time. What I try to do is, anything I like, I find something like this, what I learned is by repeatedly reading it 20-30 times once a day, I'm getting great benefit out of it. Okay, that's what I do sometimes. Yes, so what is the theoretical aspect of it that you think is theoretical aspect and some are practical aspects that is totally connected with you? So I'm just curious to know what is the theoretical aspect you're talking about here.
At least for me, if you want to understand a concept, there are two ways you understand it. One is through feeling it. You read something and you say, intuitive ga vachesthe talaki. Another way of understanding things is you draw models. You say, oh, this is like that, similar to that. You draw parallels.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is, we all human beings learn like that. Either we learn through intuition or through parallels, models. దీంట్లో ఆ మోడల్ నాకు కనిపించింది.
Very good point. You explained very well.
రవి నీకు మేయో క్లినిక్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు you have to give that project. ఇంకా టైం లేదు. You remember one night he got that insight అంటారు చూడు, అది చెప్పది that thing, that particular day, how you got the insight sudden గా. ఇప్పుడు క్లారిటీ ఆఫ్ థాట్ అన్నావు కదా కిరణ్. ఓకే, suppose if number of times ఇప్పుడు same thing, why do they read Ramayana, Bhagavatam repeated ga thousands of times they read kada? Why? because we get the insight. Each time we get the deeper and deeper meaning of that.
Correct.
Whatever.
Gita, just I'll come to that part. But what I'm thinking is what you are clear, Kiran, is what you know, right?
Correct.
That's why everything is clear. And whatever you don't have an experience, you think it's as a model, right?
I try to model to understand it. I don't think it's a model.
Yeah, something like that. Okay?
Yeah.
So there is a line. Each of us have got the same line because we are all fitting into some kind of a band, right? We are in the middle, and in this band, all of us have got lines at different positions. So whatever you take right side is all the information we have in the past.
Correct.
And the information what Baba is giving on the other side is that we don't have it. Right? Okay. See, ultimately, what Baba says is even though he is giving all this knowledge of world of duality he is giving, okay? He is giving the knowledge how to cross the world of duality to the world of reality. Right? Yeah. So the world of reality, you cannot have experience, little bit of experience now and then finally you get complete experience. It's not that.
Correct.
One time you will get the experience and that's about it. That is the truth. So until then, Baba said, how do you explain all those things? Only through analogy he can explain. That's all he can do. So we have to be familiar with that analogy, because suddenly if you get it, you will say, Baba, I'm not familiar with this. I would rather be in the world of duality, give me some experience in the world of duality, then I will come to the world of reality. You might say that. So Baba is giving all this God speaks and everything. How can we apply this must situation? What is that? The subtle world and mental world, and how the characteristics of these all these people and evolution period, all these characteristics. How are we going to apply? But that is the knowledge we need to acquire. That is what the knowledge we absolutely need for our growth in the spiritual line. So we have to have that bifurcation. Some of the things we have to accept it. Some of the things we'll experience it. But more we love, here the biggest thing is the love. More we love Baba, everything what he says, we think that is beautiful. We'll fill in all these puzzles, and one day we'll get a clarity on it. These are all the puzzles we are trying to learn. Jai Baba. That's what.
Jai Baba.
Very good. Are you done, Kiran, or do you have any?
I'm done.
Finish it now.
So, Pavan, you want to come in and say something?
Pavan maatali.
Jai Baba. No,
it
was a good.
Wind up chain, Pavan.
Yeah. So it was a good session, and my main, a lot of takeaways from the last session and today's session for me. But I think I always try to take away from each of these sessions something practical that we can take back to our life and try to put something into practice. And for me, always this backbiting is something which I feel is it feels very tangible anamata. It feels like something we can actually give a proper try. And just 2-3 days ago, we were talking Purtini nenu maatladutunnam around a backbiting topic only. And she was, trying to say, maatladam is very easy to say we should not backbite idi adi. Kani reality is we are backbiting. Pavan, you are back today. If you look at the whole of today, you backbited about lot of things. I also did. Ani cheppindanamata. So what I thought of is 2 points in that context. One point was, I think awareness is very important. Okay, not just backbiting. In all these topics we are discussing, awareness is very, very critical, very important. No matter how much we talk about unity, any reality is we are living in duality. Kada? So, but still the awareness helps. And secondly, from the time I had done the backbiting session, I can't remember 6 or 8 months ago to now, at least I would say 1% improvement is there. 1%, yeah, not too much, small percentage. And that 1% is progress, kada. It's progressing from 100% what I was, it's become 99% anamata, whatever backbiting and things. That's itself progress. Anamata. So to me, from this whole session last week and this week, taking away a practical aspect of how we can become closer and closer to Baba and how we can be more and more loving to people. If we remove that negative thoughts about people and remove talking about people itself, Chantimai's session, what Chantimai spoke was, I thought, very nice, that reading what he did. It's practical ga chepparu anamata. If you do not think of what you would think if Baba is with you, if you do not say, and if you do not do, it's just a very basic, practical, very simple thing. So that's my key takeaway. Naku second big takeaway, and this is not just in this session, Kani, over the last few months when we are doing these talks every Saturday. Mundu, few years ago, whenever I used to hear something about Baba talking about love, I used to find it very, I couldn't understand anamata. Enti Baba eppudu chusina love, love, love. He keeps talking about love in everything. He brings it to love. I wouldn't understand what is the connection between love and spirituality and Baba's teachings and God realization. And I can say now I feel much more, my understanding is much more profound and stronger in the context of love.
PhD లో ఉన్నావా, మాస్టర్స్ లో ఉన్నావా, ఏంటి 10th క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నావా?
నేను 1 minute can I talk?
Jai Baba.
Adhikar Rani talks lo annarante, when you are talking about somebody without any animosity, hatred, అలా ఉంటే నీకేమి సంస్కారాస్ అంటావు అని అన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఏదో మోడీ చేయలేదని ఏదో తిడతా ఉంటారు. వి డోంట్ హ్యావ్ కంట్రోల్ ఆన్ మోడీ వాట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్, టైం పాస్ టాక్ అవన్నీ కదా. ఇప్పుడు బ్యాక్ బైటింగ్ అంటే అన్ని బ్యాక్ బైటింగ్ కింద రాదు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ కంప్లైనింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ బాస్, సమ్ ఇంజస్టిస్ డన్ టు యూ, పవన్, that is not a backbiting. So when you are lightening your heart, what you suffer, that is what I feel. Okay, let us do like this, why don't you handle him in this way అని నేను చెప్పాను అనుకో, you are looking for a solution to lighten your heart. అవును కదా పవన్, జరిగినాయి కదా ఇలా చాలా అప్సెట్ అయినప్పుడు. No, when you talk about your boss, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తున్నాను, నీ లైఫ్ లో ఒక డిఫికల్టీ ఫేస్ చేసినప్పుడు మాట్లాడాల్సి వచ్చింది, బట్ వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ యానిమాసిటీ. ఓకే, వితౌట్ ఎనీ యానిమాసిటీ యు ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ ఫేస్. మనకి ఆల్వేస్ బ్యాక్ డ్రాప్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ మైండ్ బాబాస్ ఫిలాసఫీ బాగా ఫౌండేషన్ పడింది అందరికి. సో అట్ వన్స్ వీ గెట్ హిస్ సేయింగ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ ఫీల్. జై బాబా.
Jai Baba. Oh, Panchadam, I think I do backbiting, to be honest, and there's a lot to learn from it. We cannot say, let's stop backbiting from today. It's not going to have that way, but we need to have a clear understanding of backbiting. So it is worth spending another session or maybe two. I have given few talks on that based on what Pavan created. Pavan, you want to give next week just on backbiting, or you want me to give? You got the slides already. We both can talk. Okay, you can talk. Yeah.
I can do mine.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Let's prepare. Next week we'll talk about only backbiting. So do some homework. See what you can help all of us, because we all do. We not only talk about our own people we know, but we also talk about nations, politicians, and people who are doing bad things. Anything is a backbiting. So let us put in our thoughts into that. Let's get to know it before we stop backbiting. I think that's very important. Knowing about something before we act on it helps us a lot to be more serious. And that will lead us only to love Baba more. Okay? So with that, we will conclude this. So Geeta, prayer chaptava. పిలవట్ గారు ప్రేయర్ చెప్తావు గీత?
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయకుండా చెప్పేస్తుంది. Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more and still yet more till we become worthy of union with you. Help us all to hold fast to Baba's Ram till the way. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba, for the wonderful session. Thank you, Baba. Jai Baba.
జై బాబా ఎవ్రీవన్.
అందరికి bye bye.